Penny Pincher.
Hey Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Chelomie, and today we are going to clean the kitchen. The kitchen's been neglected for a little while, you know, with the exception of the basics, wiping down on the counters, the dishes, that sort of thing. Today, I'm going to do a little bit of a deeper cleaning as well as to, you know, do some styling on the island. So if that is something that you're interested in seeing, you know exactly what to do. Just keep on watching. And now that the counters are all cleared off, guys, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it off. So I'm using this all cleaning spray just to refresh the countertops, to get them clean, get all the grease and the grime off of it before I go into polishing. So here, that is what I'm doing. I'm doing it for the island. I don't know why I start with the island first, guys. I guess when the island's done, it looks like I am halfway there. So I'll do it for the island as well as all the other countertops. So here I am, guys, cleaning this side right beside the stove. I get all the surfaces as much as I possibly can, and as you can see there, that's my little Alexa that keeps me company in the kitchen. Alexa also gets clean, so I'll wipe it with the wet cloth first, and then I will go and get a dry cloth just to clean it up. Or whatever you use to clean, like your TVs, or like your watch faces and stuff like that, you can use it to clean your Alexa as well. I'm also cleaning these two decorative pieces that I picked up from the Ashley Home Store. I've shared these in a haul before. These are just serving as decor on top of my counters, guys. There's really nothing in them, but hey, everything gets cleaned when I'm cleaning. The next thing I clean are my kitchen cupboards, and I start with the upper ones first. I clean those all the way around the kitchen, and then I do the bottom ones. And guys, ironically, the island cupboards get done last, unlike the top, right? And now it's time to polish my appliances. So I'm using this polisher, guys, and what I will do is I will put the names of the products that I'm using to clean. I'll put those in the description box in case you're interested. So make sure you look down there to see. After doing those appliances, here I am again. I'm now polishing the countertops, and I'm using like a Granite cleaner. And then of course I had to stop for a praise break because one of my favorite songs came on the radio and I just had to give God some praise. Do you guys do that when you clean? Okay, let's get back to work. So here I am, guys. Between the dancing and the cleaning, I got a little hot, so I had to take my sweater off. But here I am doing the vacuuming of the kitchen floor. I took my mats up. Those were washed. And here I am vacuuming, like I said. And after I vacuum, the last thing I do is I mop my floors. And what I use is I use this mop here with Bona. That's the only thing that I can use on my floors. So again, I will share that with you below. I love using this mop simply because it gets in all the creases and the head flexes to wherever I need it to go. Okay guys, we're at the fun part now. We're just putting the things back together. So I am doing a little bit of a island countertop design. I'm making a little vignette for Easter. I'm adding vases, that little cute little bunny rabbit, my candle, and then I also add an egg. Let me take you in a little bit closer so you're able to see some of the items that I added and how it looks at a closer angle. And here we are, guys. We are done. The kitchen is nice and clean. It feels absolutely light. I'll just take you around and show you what I've done and a few of the items here that I've added on the island. So for the island, guys, as you can see, I'm using these two like marble trays, and I picked both of these up at Ross. It is always cheaper at Ross. These marble pieces, I notice if I have to compare Ross and Home Goods, Ross is always cheaper. I can't remember how much I paid for each piece, but that's where I got them. On this one, I have my champagne toast candle burning. This is from Big Lots. As you can see, it's almost done, but it smells amazing. I bought it over the Christmas time and I have used it pretty much every day since. This cute little bunny here came from the at-home store. I think I showed it in one of my hauls, as well as this egg that says spring. This came from Hobby Lobby. My vase is from HomeSense, and I can't remember where these flowers or these florals came from. I know I brought them from Toronto when I moved, but I can't remember what store I got them. Guys, what I was looking for, to be honest, is I brought over a bunch of white tulips, and for the life of me, I don't know where they are. So this is what I'm doing for now until I, lay eyes on those. I don't know where they are. I've searched and can't seem to find them, but if I do, I'll change it up and I'll show you what that looks like. On this tray, I have this little miniature cake stand, and you can see the other egg says risen in lieu of Easter. And to the back of that, I have two miniature bunnies. I will go on the other side so you can see what that looks like. So there they are, super cute. And that's it for the island. That's pretty much all I have on the island. Didn't need to make any more fuss than that. As you know, it has my chairs. These chairs I got from Amazon. If I can still find a link to it, I will link them. They're pretty comfortable. Very, very nice. I love that it's black on black with my island, and then the gold just pops out. That's exactly what I was looking for. So yeah, so that's the island. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take you around the counters and show you, what I've done there, things that I've taken up and things that I have added. So on this side of the kitchen is where my stove is, and right beside, these two beautiful pieces. You've seen them before and I've shared them in a haul. I picked these up at the Ashley Home store. I think they were on sale. I went to buy something and they had their accessories on sale. So I picked these up. Can't remember, but it was a very good price. Right beside that I have Alexa. And then we move over to the stove. And behind the stove, guys, I have these cutting boards, which are again like that marble. And this one, it's very similar to the tray on the island with the gold lines going across it. I picked that up from Ross as well. The one in the center, this one was thrifted, and it's like the heaviest one. I think I thrifted it for like $3 at Goodwill. And this other little tiny one there with the wooden handle or the wooden end, that came from Ross as well. Moving right along, I have my two little vinegar and oil set here. I use it a lot so that's why I keep it right next to the stove, always reaching for it. Then I have my beautiful piece here from the Beautiful Collection from Drew Barrymore, and this is my like a toaster oven. I also have the set with the knives, and I shared that before. That little thing in the corner there has to do with our water system. But moving around, I have this plant that we got from our neighbors when we moved in, and I'm trying my best to hang on to make sure that it doesn't die, guys. So if you have any tips on caring for live plants, let me know. It looks okay, but I want to make sure that I don't kill the plant. I don't do well with live plants. That's why I'm saying that. So moving across the sink, Dishes are gone. On this side, I have just like my paper towel holder, my fruit tray, and we eat the fruits quite a bit. We have oranges, we have some avocados, a plantain in there that I'll probably make later today. And this is the rest of my beautiful collection from Barrymore. I have the kettle, the toaster, the coffee maker, and moving over to this little beverage corner section here, I have done a couple of drink stations for Christmas and before that, so I'll link those, that way you can take a look at it. But on this stand, the stand here, I picked it up from Amazon. The kettle on top, the little teapot on top, that came from Home Goods. This glass here, I think I got it from Home Sense in Canada. The top has nothing to do with it. The top belongs to another jar, but I thought it was cute, so I just added it. And my little purse mugs here with the cute little spoons, these also came from Amazon. I will link those if I can still find it. And these two beauties at the bottom here, these were thrifted like 6 years ago from Value Village while I was in Toronto. And right at the very base of it, I have the Joy of Cooking book. And I don't really use cookbooks that much, but I love the aesthetic of it. I like that it matched everything that I have going on here. So that's why I've just added it to, you know, this little corner over here. And you guys should know this picture by now. This is a frame that I picked up at Goodwill. Yes, I think it was like $2 or $3. The frame of it was black initially, and I just spray painted it gold with gray spray paint. And that's it for this little corner over here. Then we have microwave oven. My tea towels here, they are from Target, along with these mats. And I like them because they kind of have like a similar vibe. They kind of have like a similar vibe going on. So I got them together. And I have 3 pieces. So I have one here by the fridge. There's the other piece by the sink. And obviously the other one is by the stove. I know they're white, but it's just my hubby and I. So traffic's not that much. And we try to, you know, vacuum at night when we get through with dinner and all that good stuff to make sure that they're kept clean. As a matter of fact, my hubby took them this morning to the laundromat and he washed all of the kitchen rugs as well as the bathroom rugs. We usually take them to the laundromat because they're a little heavier for our machine. So that's it, guys. This is my kitchen cleanup, tidy up. Thank you for watching. I don't do a lot of cleaning videos, but just felt led today to do something and bring you in on it. I'm like, if I'm gonna clean, I may as well record and share. So here we are, guys, and I'd like to wish all of you a happy Easter. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on the video. I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by clicking the subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know exactly how I feel. I love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.